All right, I'm going to show you how to find your quiz in science. So first you want to go to your science class and it's going to be green like this. Okay, and it will say science at the top. So once you're there, you want to press this word content. Okay, on the left over here in the gray part, you're going to see something that says quarter one, and you're going to scroll down and you'll also see something that says quarter two. All right, so what you want to do is you want to look at your missing or failing quiz and see which number it starts with. If it starts with a 2, then you're going to press quarter 2. If your quiz starts with a 1, then you're going to press number 1. Okay, so let's say that you're missing quiz 1.03. You're going to press quarter 1, okay, and then you can come over here and press this 1.03. That will take you, okay, to 1.03. You're going to scroll down till you see the missing assessment or the missing progress learning, okay? So whichever one it is that you're missing or failing, you're going to click on that link and then you're going to start your quiz. All right, now it's important to know that sometimes this blue bar will be full and it will say 100%. But that just means that you have found your quiz before. That just means maybe you've taken your quiz, but you're still failing it, or maybe you found it, but you're still missing it. Okay, so don't pay attention to this blue bar. Only pay attention to your grade. And if your grade says a 0 or a fail, then you need to come back and retake your quiz.